In this tutorial, we will introduce you to the vast functionality and general workflow of our ACORD Forms package. The ACORD section gives you access to over 800 fillable current version ACORD forms that utilize the client, policy, and schedule data, and even the previously filled forms to minimize your data entry work. We will begin by selecting a client and choosing ACORD Forms from the navigation pane. In this view, you will see any past forms you have added to this client. As with most windows throughout the program, you have options to edit, view, or delete. We are going to add a new form by clicking the New option. At the top of the form listing, you have three general filters: countrywide, state-specific, or all. If you choose state-specific and enter the state, the screen below will show the forms specific to that state. We are going to remain on the countrywide list. To locate a form, you can search by name or number. For example, if I am looking for a commercial insurance app, I can type the word app and then press enter, and all of the forms matching that criteria will be displayed. If you know the form number but not the title, you can search the form number field in the same manner. Once you have located the desired form, click the form and click OK. Next, you will see a list of policies if the client policies have been entered. Select any policies that pertain to the form in question by checking the box to the left of the policy. Then click OK when done. Please note that the system will fill the policies in the order in which you select them, which may matter on forms such as the Certificate of Liability. The screen will now display the ACORD form, filled with the pertinent agency, client, and policy information. The agency information filled to the form is the agency name as licensed under your product subscription. If you write under a broker and have purchased a drop-down name, you will have a Change Agency option that allows you to toggle between the purchase drop-down information and your main agency information. Certain forms, such as the cancellation request form, will not have this option as the agency name is unlocked so that the form can be filled in as needed. Before you begin to fill out the rest of the form, check the toolbar to see what schedule options are available. If you are on a form that has property information, the property database will be linked, giving you access to the property information you have previously entered, or allowing you to access the schedule database to enter that information. Then pre-fill it back into the form. Similar pre-fill opportunities depend on the form, but may include vehicles, drivers, equipment, personal and commercial properties, certificate holders, and additional interests. Perhaps you wish to pre-fill this form from a previous version or another form from under this client. The Pre-Fill button allows you to select one of many forms and will fill the matching information onto the current form. If the form you are copying from has attached certificate holders, it will offer to copy those over as well. You can go from page to page of a multi-page form by clicking the Next or Previous buttons. Once you have filled in the desired information, you are ready to select a method of output. If you prefer to email your form, you may wish to order an electronic signature, which you can attach to your employee record, then utilize by clicking Signature and selecting the file. At any point, you can click Print Preview to see how the form will look either printed or emailed as a PDF file. To save this file to your local file system, simply click the download icon on the preview, or to print, you can click the printer icon. To email the form directly from the program, you can click the Email button, which will utilize the email settings you entered on Setup and allow you to modify the email and even add other attachments. To close the form, click Back to Client in the navigation pane and you will be returned to the list of attached ACORD forms. If you wish to add a note to the form you just added, select the line and click the Note button. Type your note and click OK, and it will be added in the list view to help you to identify your form. Continue on to the certificate workflow for more information on this time-saving feature.